Hello students, welcome back to your math class. Today we will continue our chapter number 5, numbers from 10 to 20. Before starting our session, let's do revision of our last session. Let's recap. Here in this picture, you can see 6 bundles of 10 matchsticks make 6 tens and 1 loose matchstick make 1 1. It will become 6 1 61. Now next number 6 at tens place and 2 at ones place is 6 2 62. 6 tens and 3 ones, that means 6 3 63. Points to be covered: number in words, forward number and backward number. Now we will write number in words. 20 T W E N T Y 20 O N E 1 21. T W E N T Y 20 T W O 2 22. T W E N T Y 20 T H R E 3 23. T W E N T Y 20 F O U R 4 24. T W E N T Y 20 F I V E 5. T W E N T Y 20 S I X 6 26. T W E N T Y 20 S E V E N 7 27. T W E N T Y 20 E I G H T 8 28. T W E N T Y 20 N I N E 9 29. T H I R T Y 30 30. Now we will write 31. T H I R T Y 30 O N E 1 31. T H I R T Y 30 T W O 2 32. T H I R T Y 30 T H R E 3 33. T H I R T Y 30 F O U R 4 34. T H I R T Y 30 F I V E 5 35. T H I R T Y 30 S I X 6 36. T H I R T Y 30 S E V E N 7 37. T H I R T Y 30 E I G H T 8 38. T H I R T Y 30 N I N E 9 39. F O R T Y 40. 41. FORTY 40. ONE 1 41. FORTY 40. TWO 2 42. FORTY 40. THREE 3 43. FORTY 40. FOUR 4 44. FORTY 40. FIVE 5 45. FORTY 40. SIX 6 46. FORTY 40. SEVEN 7 47. FORTY 40. EIGHT 8 48. FORTY 40. NINE 9 49. FIFTY 50 50. Forward counting means counting from smaller to bigger numbers is called forward counting. Here we have stairs. If you want to go to the highest step, you will start from number 11. Then you will reach at 12. After that 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, now you are at the highest step. So बच्चों, अगर आप छोटे से बड़े नंबर की तरफ मूव करते हैं तो उसे हम फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग कहते हैं. Students, now we will learn forward counting from 51 to 70. 51 51. 52 52. 53 53. 54 54. 55 55. 56 56. 57 57. 58 58. 59 59. 60 60. Now here 61 61. 62 62. 63 63. 64 64. 65 65. 66 66. 67 67. 68 68. 69 69. 70 70. Students, here are some examples of forward countings. 25 26. What comes after 26? Yes, 27. And after that 28. Now here 12. Similarly, after 12 we will have 1 3 13. 1 4 14. 1 5 15. Backward counting means counting from bigger to smaller numbers is called backward counting. Now, if you want to come to the ground level from the highest step, you have to step down. So, we'll start from 20. Then you will reach at 19. After that, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Yes, you are now on the lowest step. So बच्चों, अगर हम बड़े से छोटे नंबर की तरफ मूव करते हैं तो उसे हम बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग कहते हैं. Students, now we will learn backward counting from 70 to 51. 70 is a two-digit number, so we will write 7 is at tens place and 0 is at ones place. 70, 70, one number less, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 60, 59, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51. In these examples, you are supposed to write backward counting. For the first one, you have to write backward counting from 38. So, बच्चों 38 से पहले क्या आता है? Yes, 37, 36 and 35. Similarly, backward counting of 63 is 62, 61 and 60, 60. Now it's homework time. You have to do this homework in your notebook, counting in forward and counting in backward. So here we have completed our session number 2. Kindly do your homework and try to share it with us. Further, we will learn more interesting topics in our next session. Thank you.